Every journey begins with a single step. But it's the steps we take every day that truly transform our world. Progress isn't always beautiful at first, but with persistence, harmony emerges. Each day, we have the chance to add another stroke to our masterpiece. What seems small in the moment can become something extraordinary. Sometimes the biggest changes start in our own backyards. When we come together day by day, we can transform our world. Across generations, cultures, and landscapes, we are united by our capacity for growth.
Speak softly and slowly, ready to plant your seed?
For in the journey of 1,000 miles, it's the daily steps that transform our world.